Hi traders, this is Peter. I wanted to introduce my strategy for trading cryptocurrency as well as Forex. I'm starting now this video with explanation about my strategy that I'm using for doing money with Bitcoins. So on the chart you can see both indicators. I call the top indicator price action and the lower indicator it's called momentum action. We have integrated this bottom indicator in the top, but it's still very good to see exactly where is the levels and what is happening. How we have the signal for short or for long? For example, here in this area you can see that the price dropped below the yellow line, and this is the first evidence of the trading strategy. As soon as the price dropped below the yellow line, below the price action indicator, we are looking for the second confirmation, which is drop of the red line below zero level. As you can see here on my chart, zero level is with the green line, so you can easily see it. Very important to know, as soon as the blue line have the same direction going down, and here we have confirmation, we will have a good and strong signal. So first evidence, as I mentioned, is the drop below the indicator line. In my case is yellow, and at the same time we have the red line going below zero, so this is strong signal for sell. As you can see here, it's showing label short on the next bar. This is the way how it is programmed, this indicator to work. As soon as this bar is completed, on the next bar it show the short label. So even you can enter a little bit in the middle here on the daily candle, so you're not waiting the full candle to close, because it will waste a lot of time. But if you want to be on the safe side, you can open the position on the next bar. So this is about the enter. It's good to know also when you should exit the position. First exit, it can be as soon as the indicator, the red indicator, is going up or it is breaking up. But as I mentioned, if the blue line is going down and also goes below zero, once the red line is below zero, we have confirmation for stronger move. So if you enter here, you can exit somewhere in here as soon as you see that the red line indicator is broken up. So this means that this is the time for you to exit the position. And here again, as soon as you see that the red line is breaking the zero level, as soon as the price is going below this yellow indicator, we have confirmation for a sell as well. So basically this is the strategy for selling or buying the crypto here. It is very good. I will show you a few more samples. By the way, the yellow indicator, it is staying as support and resistance. You can see on lower time frame that the price is trying to hit this line. What I mean, for example, if you see, for example, this bar here, this line, this candle, it is far away under the yellow line. It is mean on the lower time frame you can see some kind of correction, which you can see signal for purchase for long, and the possibility and the target possible, it will be until this yellow line. Let me show you what I mean here. For example, we can mark this bar here, as I said. Actually here only you can see only one of the confirmations we have. The price is going up through the zero level, but it's still very far away from the window, from the line, from the yellow line. Let me see what is showing the smaller time frame here. This is 16th of April. So if we go on 3 hours, sorry, it's going very back. Yes, as you can see, we have here indicator showing long, but this is only for the lower frame. So it's mean here, if we can enter here, as soon as we see that the indicator is breaking back, we can exit this position. It is same with a short position from this way. I'm sure that if we go on next higher position, we will see that this short position from 3 hours frame, it is against the long position from one daily frame. It's good to check several frames all the time, so you can be sure that you are not against the higher frame, because this way you will get only small correction for a profit. For example, we can monitor this signal here, this long position here. We can see that the price is going up the zero level, the blue line is still in the positive way, and the price, it is already over the yellow line. This is the confirmation that we can open the position for long. As you can see here, it's up to here, the indicator is giving the exit right here. It's finishing and then a little bit back and going up. This is maybe just the price is still pushing up, but according to the indicator here is good point to take off your profits and to exit the position. So what I can suggest you is to monitor more 1 hour frame for taking good entries, and you can see actually same here, we have good signal, the price is going over the yellow line, the indicator, the red indicator, it's going up from the zero level, so we have here good position for opening. As you can see, immediately in 3-4 bars, the red indicator, it is already breaking down. But what I can say here, let's mark it here with the color, let's say with the red color. What I can see here, for example, if we have entered in 1 hour frame and the indicator is going up, maybe in same time it will give option for enter to the bigger time frame, and still is not guaranteed that we can exit the position on the right moment. For example, if we enter here monitoring 1 hour frame and in same time the 3 hour frame, it will give us same good moment for entry, it's here. So what this mean, we can enter on 1 hour frame but continue staying in the trend when we see that the 3 hour frame, it is still in positive way and breaking up till here. So it's mean that we can exit the position somewhere in this bar, because over here already it's breaking the red line indicator. And this is good because this way we can use small stop loss and having still very nice profits if we enter on lower time frame. It is absolutely same if we check 15 minutes time frame. As you can see here, for example, on this bar, we have indicator showing positive move from the below zero to up to zero. The price is going over the yellow line, and here we have already confirmation about positive long buy. If we mark this way, we can see that in few bars the indicator is accelerating, the price is accelerating, and we have here on the top of the indicator already good confirmation for exit. This means that in this case it will be good only for these 3-4 bars by 50 minutes to close the position. I am sure in this time frame, if we check next higher time frame, it will be against the higher time frame. Where is it? It's here. Yes. So here the blue line it's below the zero level, and the red line it's already up much before this. So it's not very good for continuing and keeping this position open. If we check here this signal, back signal, I want to give some hint here. The indicator currently it is set up as rule if the price it's breaking zero level, let's say from upside to down, it's breaking zero level, and the price here still does not move below the price action indicator within 2 bars, it does not show signal for entering the position, because sometimes it takes more time from the breaking down or from the breaking the indicator until the price is ready to move, and it can generate just false signals. That's why I say several times it's good in my post to see to do visual filtering, so you can see by your eyes what actually is happening. What we can see here, the price in this bar it's breaking under the price action, but the price action is still very high and it's going still up. Even the price is break, the yellow line is going up, and this will show that maybe next bar will try to go once again higher until you don't see this breaking on the indicator as well. So as soon as you see this breaking, this is very good confirmation that the price will go down, because the indicator also is breaking down. As you can see here on the bottom, the red line indicator is going below the zero, so this is a very good confirmation for short enter, and as you can see the price is just dropping significantly. So once you see that the price is breaking the indicator, but still the line of the indicator is going sharply high, you might keep in 1-2 bars until you enter, until you see that the indicator curves is going down. So you need to see curving down, you need to see breaking down. So this will be more significant evidence of breaking down, and the price will continue down. Maybe it's kind of divergence of the indicator and the pricing. So this way you can see this moment how the price is going down. As I mentioned, in order to generate less false signals, we create this indicator with the rule after 2 bars, if the price does not break the level 0 or the price is not below the price action indicator, the signal does not appear automatically. But in such case, you can, even if you don't see this label here as short, you can enter in the position manually. It will be good. So this is some brief explanation about how this strategy works. I will strongly recommend, if you are using Bitcoin for trading, to go for the time frame 15 minutes and 1 hour. The positive here, if you entering in 15 minutes, you should watch and monitor to be on the way to the same time frame, next time frame. I mean, if you want to buy on 15-minute chart, please make sure that 1 hour chart is not for setup for short. So in this case, you will be able to pick up more instead of going against the chart. As you can see here, only 2 or 3 bars after break, you see they're going bullish and then it's going back. In such cases, it is just correction of the next higher frame, for example 1 hour frame. For easy use, this indicator has option for alerts, so you can add alert. Here's price action and momentum action long, or you can say short, and you can have automatically alert for both on every chart, so you can be sure you don't miss any trade. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. In case you have some questions, please let me know. I will try to answer them. Good luck and stay safe.